A very good morning to all of one. So we are meeting after quite a long break of 20 days. The last lab that we conducted was on 16th of June, and today is 7th of July. So it was a long break. It is indeed a long break. So guys, before we went on a break, I gave you a task to complete. How many of you remember that task? First of all, let me know in the chats. I provided you one task to be completed. Let me know how many of you remember this task. Okay, yes, Lucky Raj, exactly. I asked you to design one registration form. If you can recall and remember. If you can recall and remember, I asked you to create one registration form. How many of you have completed it? Let me know. How many of you have completed that task? Only one student, Lucky Raj. Divya has done, that I know. Aditya has completed. What about others? Shivangi and Smith has also done. What about Dhruti and Praful? What about Rakshit? Okay. What about Dhruti and Praful? Yeah, the task was to design this type of form using only HTML5. The second part of this task was to provide validations using only HTML5 without using any JavaScript codes. That means you are asked to write down input type equals to text, input type equals to email, input type equals to number. So these are your by default HTML5 validations, right? So this was the task that was assigned to you about 3 weeks ago, and still many of you have not completed. Okay, the next task that was assigned to the students who has already completed this task in the last week was to provide elegant styling to this particular form only using CSS3. Is there anyone who has completed this one then? Providing an elegant styling to this particular form using only and only CSS3. Using only and only CSS3. How many of you have completed the elegant styling of that particular registration form? Only one, Lucky Raj. What about others? Divya, I think you also completed the same thing in the last lab. Yeah. So guys, I want an elegant styling to this particular form now today. And those who completed it, I want a JavaScript validation for each and every control. I want a JavaScript validations for each and every control. And these are my few requirements of JavaScript validation. Just look at it first. The JavaScript validations first means all controls should have some data. This is my first and the foremost requirement. So each and every control of this form should have some data. There should be some selection of the data. Second, password should be minimum 8 characters. The password should be minimum 8 characters. Third one, password and confirm password should match. The fourth one, email should be a correct one. Fifth one, the name fields should allow only characters. Characters means alphabetical characters. Alphabetical characters. Not more than, not other than this. And the sixth one, the mobile number should be numbers. And last, the seventh one, in password, let it be, I don't want this one. You need to implement these JavaScript validations using any type of expressions or regular expressions in this form. It could be any JavaScript, but it should be JavaScript, not any other thing. No any plugins, no jQueries. It should be only and only JavaScripts. So this is the task of 2 weeks lab. Today's lab and upcoming next week's lab. You need to complete this task. And if I just make you aware with your lab manual, let's see the lab manual that you are going to follow. I will not upload it right now to the e-content. It will be uploaded when the time comes, right time comes. So you can see practice a practical of web technology using HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. And that requires 2 labs. So I'm considering this lab as an official first lab. And then you need to start working on this. You need to start working on this. Anyhow. So I want JavaScript validations to be implemented on this registration form by next lab, along with the elegant styling of this form. Without using Bootstrap, only CSS3 should be there. You can provide the accordions here. You can provide some type of drop downs and these things here to show it more elegantly. Now it's totally up to you how you want to showcase your particular registration form. Right? I hope I'm clear with this. Divi, I'm talking about the JavaScript validations, not the design part. So I am clear with the task, what you need to perform. Others? See, let me make you one thing clear in this AWT. Until and unless you show me the work, I am not going to start with any other practicals. Even if we are left with Laravel implementation, that's up to you then. I want a work in a specific deadline, at least a practical work. Because if you showcase, if I just show you the complete practical list, you have a complete designing part later, then you have a complete OOP based programming for PHP, then you have a complete project in PHP, then we have a complete project of curl, regular expressions and APIs, and lastly we have the project implementation of Laravel and Node.js. So if you want that everything should be covered and you should have a very good hands-on practice on all those things, then you need to work accordingly. I will skip the practicals if you are not providing me the work on time for AWT. We haven't started even a single topic of AWT as of now. I am going to start it from tomorrow, but by that time you should be clear with the concepts of HTML5, CSS3, as well as JavaScript. And that is what my basic requirement is. Clear, guys, with the instructions? Any queries, then let me know. That's okay, Lucky Raj. You can work it as per your convenience, but I want to complete this task by next lab. That's it. Anyone, any queries with this? Then let me know. Anyone, any queries with this? Are you clear what you need to do today? Providing a style sheet to this particular form and JavaScript validations for this 6 points. I'm dropping these 6 points into your chats. These are your validations in your chats. So start working on it. Start working on it. Inform your friends, those who are not joining the sessions on time. Out of 18 students, I can see only 9 has been present right now. Okay, Divya and Lakira, show me your forms one by one by sharing the screen. What you have provided the styling to it. Divya and Lakiraj. Divya and Lakiraj. Show me the forms that you have created. Yeah. Okay, Lakiraj. Divya, you can show off. And those who said yes earlier, be ready with your forms. After Divya,
સર
yes.
લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ જે હતું એ જ ફોર્મ ને.
હા, તે જે કીધું
ઓકે
ને
ઓકે સર.
સ્ટાઇલિંગ એડ કરી છે એમાં સ્ટાઇલિંગ
યસ
જોઈશ.
યસ સર.
Then Aditya, Shivangi, and Smith, be ready with your forms and be ready to present it. The students who will present, only they will be marked present today, else everyone will be absent. Yes, Divya,
સ્ક્રીન
your
ઇઝ
screen is
વિઝિબલ
visible.
સર. ઓકે ઓકે.
Yes. Hmm. Okay. What about the style sheet?
સ્ટાઇલ શીટ
What
સર.
about the style sheet? Yeah, adding the CSS to this form.
ઓકે
CSS.
સીએસએસ not
Hmm.
sir, CS not completed, only is this form is completed.
Still in the first part of the personal details, the first name, middle name, and last name are not properly aligned.
Okay okay sir.
The labels, the
Yes yes
labels.
yes yes sir.
Fine. Okay. Aditya, share your screen. Aditya and Shivangi and then Smith.
Sir, can I share my screen, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, visible?
Yeah. Again, the same thing. Your labels are not properly aligned for your first name, middle name, and last name.
Sir, I am doing right now, sir. That.
Okay. Shivangi.
Thank you, sir. Sir, can I stop sharing, sir?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Shivangi, Dhruti, Rakshit, Praful, Aditya. Yeah. And even Sahil.
Sir,
Yeah, your screen is visible. Good. Okay. Can you provide some styling to the text box? The controls that you used in your form?
yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, next. One by one, start sharing your screen.
સર
Yes.
સર સ્ટાઇલિંગ કરવાની બાકી છે. બાકી તમે પેલા ફોર્મ બનાવવાનું કીધું હતું ને, ઈ થઈ ગયું
Show
છે.
me that
તો
form
પછી
first. Yeah.
સ્ક્રીન
No, show me the form. Show me the form first.
ઓકે યસ
Sir,
Yeah. Yes, Sahil, your screen is visible. Okay. Just scroll it down and show me the educational details. The education. Yeah, click on it. Okay, fine. Start working with the JavaScript validations.
sir,
Yeah.
sir, 5 minutes जितनी बैटरी है सर दिखा दूँ सर फटाफट.
Yeah, you can. You can.
Okay, sir. So this is styling
Yeah.
shot.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Fine. Try to give a style sheets to some text box and then start working
Sir,
with JavaScript validation.
sir already given sir text box.
Yeah. Yeah. Good. Okay. Start working with JavaScript validations.
Okay, sir.
Is there anyone who is willing to show the work? Let me know. Fine, so I am making the present of only those students, those who have shown me the work. So Raj is absent, Praful is absent, Shubham is also absent, Idani is absent, Deep Kichadia is absent. Shivam is absent, Janil is absent, Aditya and Shivangi both are absent, Arti is absent, Ronit is absent, and Ishita is absent. Fine. Yes, Aditya, you can share your screen if you want to. Aditya and Shivangi and Praful. If you want to make your today's presence, then you need to show me the screen in next 5 minutes. Okay, the same file that Divyaraj was having, everyone is sharing the same file. Even the name of the file is the same. The file that Divyaraj shown me, the file that I think some other person also shown me, the same mistake is done by each and everyone. The labels of the first name, middle name, and last names. That's great. So I'm not going to mark anyone's presence for this. You can stop sharing, Aditya.
સર
Is there anyone who is willing to show me the screen?
સર સ્ક્રીન પ્રેઝન્ટ કરી શકું?
Yes, Divya.
ઓકે સર.
You can.
સર સ્ક્રીન ઇઝ વિઝિબલ?
Yes, it is.
ઓકે સર. સર નાઉ કમ્પ્લીટ?
Okay,
ફર્સ્ટ નેમ,
fine.
મિડલ નેમ, લાસ્ટ નેમ.
Fine. Fine. So remember guys, the task is to complete the JavaScript validation by the next lab, in 2 lab sessions actually. So this is the task that you need to remember.